everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing another wig makeover. I haven't done one in a while and Ruger is going to assist. He's a little confused about what's going on right now. But I am doing a peppermint monster kind of look on here, so I wanted to do a cool wig for it, so this is like part one. But I am going to be taking this red wig that is pretty thin, like most of my wigs. It's a cheap $10 Amazon wig. Stacking it with this white wig, and I have a stack of white extensions I'm going to put in here as well, and then do like a cool peppermint ponytail with it. So I'm not really sure how it's going to work out, but we're going to experiment and play with it. So let's get started. The materials I am using are like little rubber band hair ties. I have one like on my finger, a wig brush, and I think that's all you're really going to need. And then whatever kind of accessories you want to put in. I'm going to start with a 3-clip weft. Just run a brush through them. And it doesn't really matter that these are straight compared to the rest of the hair, because it's all going to go up in a ponytail and this will mix with the white hair. Oh, I should mention as well, I have my wig pinned in at the base here and the head is stretched, so it will accommodate my head when I put on the wig in a ponytail type fashion, and then my straps are just kind of chilling, and then I have the hairline as well. So I'm going to start on this side. I go in and separate by the weft, so you can go by like the ear tab or wherever kind of works. It's kind of hard with hair that tangles really easily like this does, but you can separate it kind of with your fingers. Is the, not the crown and not the second, but the third row, I think, of hair, and that's where we're going to clip it in. So it's far enough down that it's equal in length, and I just take a section and snap it in. It will be completely covered by hair too, so just make sure you get it around and nice and tight. Just brushing it to see how the layers will look. As you can see, you can't really see it through all of this, but we're going to put another thinner layer up here. Right now, I'm just like establishing thickness within the wig. So I have the layer of white in, as you can see. So now we're going to start pulling the hair back and layering it up. I also will probably add some white in the top when we pull it back, but I'll use the bangs to kind of disguise the clips when the time comes. So I just want to disclaimer, I'm not a hairdresser. I don't do this a lot. I just do it for fun. So if it looks awful, it's not a big deal. So we're just gonna take the hair and start sweeping it back like you would with a ponytail. And I'm gonna leave some of the bangs up front as a way of disguising clips later. And also I want enough to cover the hairline when I put it on. So I have the hair kind of pulled back like this. Obviously this is not where I want the ponytail. I want it higher, but it's going to be like a layered ponytail. That makes sense, like that tutorial that shows you do like a low ponytail and then a high ponytail. This one's going to be like just at the back of the head. And my head is coming off. Change of plans. Instead of doing a ponytail, I'm actually going to do a bun because I think that's going to be more peppermint candy cane, sort of the way I want this to look. So I actually put in another 2-clip weft and twisted all the hair around itself. And now we're going to take these bobby pins, pin it in, and make a bun. So I'm just going to get some off this card because I know I'm going to need one like right away. And I'm not pinning the hair to itself, I'm pinning the hair to the cap. It's actually going in through the netting. Now, if you have a really nice lace front, obviously don't do this. Just make sure it's pinned to itself and really in there. So when I do buns, I just take a bobby pin and go about every ½ inch, ¼ inch, whatever, depending on the size of the bun. So this is what it looks like, which I actually think probably turned out better than what I originally had planned. So here we have my little peppermint bun, and then we're just gonna fix the front. I'm gonna brush the loose hair forward, and then any pieces that, like the hairline's exposed, I think I want it all going one way. I want it all going to this one side. So I have this bun pulled off to the side, and once I pull it on my head, I may have to pull it down and just change it up a bit, but that's okay. So I'm gonna unpin this side. Make sure these bobby pins are staying down in there because I don't want this to unfurl. And then this side I think I'm just going to leave loose so it's kind of just swooped over. Okay, so this is my quick little wig makeover, making this peppermint kind of bun hairstyle. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and check out my wig playlist where I show you guys how to do a bunch of other stuff. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!